This tutorial is going to give you an overview of the features of the Action Illustrated Instant Designer. We have already installed the Instant Designer and imported all the artwork. So at this point, we're going to click on the Template Browser button. This is where we can access all of the Action Illustrated clip art. We can browse through the artwork by volume or do a specific word search for a keyword. I'm going to type in CDR. This is going to bring up all of the editable templates that we have available in our collection. These templates also come in EPS format, but you will want to use the CDR format. Then you're going to select a template and hit Open. This is going to open up in Corel, and then we're going to click on Template Editor, which will allow us to change the text, the character, and the color of this design. Notice the words in the design are just typed off to the side right here. I can make any changes I need to. I'm going to make Springfield Action, College Illustrated, Bears, Tigers, change baseball to softball, and 17 to 14. When I hit Update, you will see that it will change the text within the design. You can also change the font if you would like right here. I can choose which line of text that I would like to change and then just click on Text Font. Here I can choose a different font. This list of fonts is generated from the list of fonts I have installed on my computer. So my entire font collection is here for me to choose. I can scroll through it, or I can just type in the name of a font if I know it. Once I have made my selection, I just hit OK, and you will see that my font will change. Notice that we can click on different parts of the design. This is how we replace images. I just click on the part of the design I want to change and hit Replace under Groups. That will bring us back to where we can browse the artwork. I'm going to go ahead and do a search for softball and click Search. This will bring up every softball image I have in my collection. I'm going to find a softball player I like and hit OK. It will replace the baseball player with the softball player that I had just chosen. We can also flip this design if we want her facing in the other direction, right here. I can do the same thing with my bear mascot. Just click on it and hit Replace. Do a keyword search for tiger. Find a tiger I like and hit OK. There we go. Now that I've updated my images, we can change the colors in the design. So I want this design to primarily be black and orange. I'm going to start by changing the purple. First, I'm going to click on this purple swatch and hit Replace. It will bring up the color palettes that we can use. We use Pantone Matching System Corel 8 in the office. If you are printing for a direct-to-garment or doing sublimation, you may want to use an RGB color palette or CMYK color palette. I'm going to change this purple to black and hit OK, and it's going to change all of the purple in my design to black. Next, I'm going to change the green of the softball player's uniform to black. Just click on the green, hit Replace, click black, and hit OK. Next, I want to take this bright orange color from the tiger and incorporate it into the background design and text. If I hover over my bright orange swatch here, I can see that it's Pantone Orange 21. So I just select my light orange color and hit Replace. Then I can type in orange 21. It will bring up that exact color and hit OK. So it's going to change all this light orange in my design and match it with the bright orange of the tiger. And now I have one less color in my design. I can also change the yellow color of her socks to the same orange. This design is ideal for direct-to-garment or sublimation. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Takes us back to Corel. We can move on to the next step, which is the Instant Distress button. If I just click on that, it brings up all of these different distresses here that I can choose. Just click on one and hit OK. It will take that distress overlay and make it white and put it on top of our design, which is going to give us that vintage feel. Next, I click on Insert Product Blank, which is this little t-shirt. It's going to bring up a bunch of different product blanks. So I'm just going to select a shirt and hit OK, and it will place the design right on the shirt. Let's say that we like this, everything looks good. Then we can go ahead and click on the Insert Order Form button. What this will do is allow us to select an order form. I've pre-made this order form, which is covered in a different tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and it places the design on my pre-made order form. This design is ready to go. Notice that each of these steps was put onto a new separate page. So page 3 is the order form, page 2 is the design on the product blank, and page 1 is just the original design that I'm going to be sending to my printer.